This session is designed to help you break free from negative self-talk, reprogramming your mind with positive and empowering thoughts. Ensure you are in a safe, quiet space where you can relax fully. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. A full disclaimer is available in the description below. Let's begin. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. I'm Jocelyn, and today's session is designed to help you free yourself from negative self-talk and embrace a mindset of confidence, self-love, and inner peace. The way we speak to ourselves shapes our reality. Every thought we repeat, whether positive or negative, influences our emotions, our decisions, and the energy we bring into the world. By shifting your inner dialogue, you create space for empowerment, growth, and self-acceptance. If this session resonates with you, consider supporting Soul Hypno Vibe at www.buymeacoffee.com/soulhypnovibe. Your support helps me create more empowering content for your journey. Now, settle into a quiet, comfortable space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. And as you exhale, release any tension or doubt. Let's begin. Let's start by grounding ourselves, creating a peaceful space within where change can take place. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a soft, gentle wave of relaxation moving through your body. This wave washes over you, releasing tension as it flows downward, soothing your forehead, easing away any tension. Flowing down through your eyes and cheeks, softening your expression. Gently moving into your neck and shoulders, releasing any heaviness you've been carrying. Traveling down your arms, into your hands, relaxing every muscle. Expanding into your chest, filling your heart with warmth and self-compassion. Moving into your stomach, easing away tightness and bringing balance. Flowing through your hips, grounding you deeply in stability and peace. Down through your legs, your knees, your calves and ankles. Finally, into your feet, anchoring you to the present moment. Now, imagine yourself standing on a calm, peaceful shoreline. The gentle waves meet the sand, whispering softly, reminding you that just as the ocean washes away what no longer serves the shore, you too can release negative thoughts and replace them with positivity. Silently affirm, I am grounded, calm, and open to change. I release negativity and welcome self-love. I am ready to transform my thoughts. Now, let's release the negative self-talk that has been holding you back. Imagine you're holding a small, smooth stone in your hand. This stone represents every self-critical thought you've carried, words of doubt, fear, or judgment that no longer serve you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight of this stone in your palm. Notice how heavy it feels. Acknowledge the thoughts it represents, but remind yourself, these words do not define me. Now picture yourself walking toward the shoreline. The waves gently move in and out, waiting to carry away anything you are ready to release. With one final deep breath, extend your hand and release the stone into the water. Watch as it sinks beneath the surface, disappearing into the depths, dissolving into nothingness. Feel the lightness in your chest, the freedom in your mind. The weight of those words is gone, washed away, leaving space for new, empowering beliefs. Silently affirm, I release all negative self-talk and self-doubt. I am free from old patterns that no longer serve me. I choose to speak to myself with kindness and love. Now that we've cleared away old, limiting thoughts, let's create a new, empowering dialogue within. Imagine a soft, golden light forming in the center of your chest. This light represents self-love, confidence, and positivity. With every breath, feel it growing warmer, expanding outward, surrounding you in a cocoon of uplifting energy. Now, hear your inner voice speaking with kindness, encouragement, and strength. I am enough just as I am. I am capable, strong, and worthy of love. I trust myself and believe in my abilities. I release perfection and embrace progress. Each affirmation strengthens this light, weaving positivity into the fabric of your mind, rewriting old patterns with new, empowering beliefs. Visualize yourself moving through your day with this light guiding you, responding to challenges with confidence, speaking to yourself with encouragement and patience, walking through life with a sense of ease, grace, and self-trust. Silently affirm, my thoughts uplift and empower me. I treat myself with kindness and compassion. I am confident, strong, and worthy. Let's anchor this new way of thinking deep within your subconscious. Imagine yourself in front of a mirror. As you look into your reflection, you see a version of yourself who is radiant, confident, and self-assured. This is you, free from self-doubt, embracing your full potential. As you gaze into the mirror, you hear your own voice speaking to you with love. You are worthy. You are capable. You deserve joy, success, and love. Feel these words becoming a part of you, reshaping the way you see yourself. Now place your hand over your heart and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine this newfound confidence settling deep into your soul, becoming an unshakable truth. Silently affirm, I believe in myself. I speak to myself with kindness and encouragement. My inner voice is my greatest supporter. As we bring this session to a close, take a moment to appreciate the shifts that have taken place. Your mind is lighter, your heart is open, and your thoughts are aligned with self-love. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll gently return to full awareness, bringing with you this powerful transformation. 1. Feeling the surface beneath you and the air around you. 2. Becoming aware of the peace within your body. 3. Taking a deep breath, feeling grounded and empowered. 4. Returning to the present, carrying the light of positive self-talk with you. 5. Gently opening your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and ready to embrace life with confidence and self-compassion. Thank you for joining me today at Soul Hypno Vibe. Remember, your inner voice has the power to lift you up and guide you forward. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.